Let's put the spotlight on maintenance and how the maintenance tools in TN360 can simplify maintenance processes and reduce cost. The maintenance module in TN360 can be as simple or as detailed as you need. You can schedule preventative maintenance like oil changes, tire rotation, inspection intervals, and much more. From just one page, you can view maintenance items that are due, items that are scheduled, and once maintenance is completed, all the details can be recorded, including any invoices. A well-maintained vehicle is less likely to experience unexpected breakdowns that can lead to operational disruptions, rental costs, and increased costs for larger repairs. Check out your maintenance module today and learn more by visiting your TN360 Training Center.